Hi guys! Today I'm going to create this dramatic eye look in 10 minutes using Mcgrath's Mothership 1 Subliminal palette right here. I got the inspiration for this look from her Instagram page. If you want to see how I got this dramatic eye makeup look in 10 minutes, just keep watching. So I have all my makeup on except for the eyes, of course. I used the new Estee Lauder foundation that I just reviewed. I will link it up here. And I used Scott Barnes contour palette. I also did a review. I will link that up here as well. I used the Natasha Denona highlighter. I used Charlotte Tilbury blush and the Airbrush Flawless powder. I used the Hourglass eyebrow pencil to do my eyebrows. So I have all my makeup on except for the eyes and lips. So I'm going to bring you guys a little bit closer. This is a very easy eye look, you guys. This is very dramatic but very easy to do. Very quick eyeshadow look, but it's very dramatic. You would think you took a long time doing it, but it just takes you 10-15 minutes to do it. If you don't include the time you take to put the eyelashes on. So I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Moldering Eyeliner. So this is especially made for this kind of purpose. So I'm going to start at the base and I'm going to sort of do like a rough wing line. Again, guys, this is going to be covered under the makeup, so don't be like, you don't have to be too precise with this. We're not really doing a wing liner, we're just going to smoke it up, but I want the liner to be more intense at the lash line. So I'm going to take a brush and smoke this upward. I'm going to take Sonia G, a dense Sonia G goat hair brush, and I'm going to smoke this up. And if it gets a little messy, what you have to do is take a compact, or take your powder and a wedge like this, and you can clean up the edges. This is a nice little trick, you guys. A nice hack, I suppose. And you can use the same to kind of clean up the ends of your contour right there, on nose contour. So you can see, you can just clean it right up. Now I'm going to pick up the Mcgrath palette. This is my palette. It's a little disgusting because I've used it quite a bit, you guys. So this is what it looks like in case you have not seen it. Now I'm going to pick up this black shade in the palette. I'm going to put that shade over the eyelid, over the kohl pencil with the Sonia G flat shader kind of brush. So I'm going to put that color all over the black smoky color shade all over my eyelid to cover that kohl pencil we just put all over, so that any patchiness will now disappear with this new shade. So now I'm going to take a squirrel hairbrush by Wayne Goss, and I'm going to blend the edges so it has that soft smoky look. I'm going to blend out these edges really, really well. So that, you see now it's all soft. That looks great. As you can see, it's nicely banded. I'm going to take this beautiful blue from the palette, and I'm going to put it all over the lid with a flat shader brush like this. This is by MAC. So this is when this look's gonna really start to pop. Wow, look at that, guys. Okay, and now I'm gonna take a nice fluffy blending brush that I was using earlier, and then I'm going to smoke the edges. There you go. And I'm gonna blend it a little bit more. There you go. And now I'm going to take a definer brush, a flat definer brush like this, and I'm going to pick up the black shade, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. I'm gonna bring it all the way in to the inner corner, almost to the end. And then I'm gonna take the pencil brush I was using and smoke it up. So now I'm going to pick up this shade right here from the palette and highlight my inner corners with a tiny brush. Pop that inner corner and then bring it to the lower lash line just at the very beginning right there, like that. This is a beautiful iridescent color. There you go. That's the eye look here, guys. How easy was that? I'm going to highlight my brow bone with the this color right here, this shade. So that's the eye look, you guys. How easy was that? That was very easy. Took me 10 minutes. So I took my hair clips off and I'm going to put the lipstick on. Okay, I'm going to use the Mcgrath lipstick today, in the shade Omi. Now I'm going to line my lips with the Mcgrath lip liner in the shade Supernatural. These lip liners are so buttery. Now I'm going to pick up Mcgrath lipstick in the shade Omi. I've used it, it's loved very much. As you can see, I'm almost out. So I love her matte lipstick formula. So this is in the shade Omi. I'm going to put it right on the center of my lips. It's got blue iridescent pearly shimmer particles in it, so it's perfect for this look. Okay, now I'm going to put my lashes on and I will show you the finished look. And I'm going to put mascara on. I'm using Marc Jacobs mascara. Then I'm going to put on lashes. This is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It only takes 10 minutes to create this look. It's a very easy but dramatic eye look. It looks like you took hours and hours to create this look, but it only takes 10 minutes in reality. It's very easy. Pat McGrath makes it easy to create. She just arranges the shadows in a way that you can create looks. She just does it for you, you know. So I got the inspiration, like I said, for this look from her Instagram, Pat McGrath Mothership 1 Subliminal Palette. So that's where I got the inspiration for this look. And so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you in my next video.